कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवांसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। प्रज्ञानां सुप्रतानैः स्थिरचरनिकर व्यापिभिर्व्याप्य लोकान् भुक्त्वा भोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पुनरपि धिषणोद्भासितान् कामजन्यान् पीत्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् स्वपिति मधुरभुं मायया भोजयन्नो मायासङ्ख्यातुरीयं परममृतमजं ब्रह्म यत्तन्नतोऽस्मि। यो विश्वात्मा विदिजविषयान् प्राश्यभोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पश्चाच्चान्यान् स्वमतिविभवान् ज्योतिषा स्वेन सूक्ष्मान् सर्वानेतान् पुनरपि शनैः स्वात्मनि स्थापयित्वा हित्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् विगतगुणगणः पात्वसौ न स्तुरीयः। पेज नंबर 44, इंट्रोडक्शन टू 7th मंत्र, टीका 5th लाइन फ्रॉम टॉप। फिफ्थ लाइन से शून्यमेव तदापद्येत तन्निषेधेनैव निर्दिश्यमानत्वात्। 4 नंबर टिप्पणी, इज इट क्लियर? तन्निषेधेन इत्यत्र तस्य निषेधेनेति युक्तम्। हाँ, एक्सप्लेन इट। Anybody else? Anybody else understood 4 number टिप्पणी? टिप्पणी number 4. Okay, I will explain. तन निषेधेन, on that shabda there is टिप्पणी. First reading says tan nishedha, you take it as samastha pada, it is a samasa. तो विग्रह you have to do tasya nishedhena. So that is explained. Tan nishedhena ityatra tasya nishedhena iti yuktam. If you take it as samasta pada, then vigraha will be tasya nishedhena. And the meaning will be tasya brahmanaha nishedhenaiva nirdishyamanatvat. That Brahma is indicated through nishedha. This is first meaning. Then after comma is the second explanation. Where is comma? In Tippani. यथा श्रुते तु भाव रूप धर्म निषेधेनेत्यर्थः. What is the meaning of yatha shrute? Yatha shrute means as you hear that word tan nishedhena without thinking that it is a samasta pada, it is not a samasa. It is just tat nishedhena, not tasya nishedhena. Tasya brahmanaha nishedhena was first reading. If you say tan nishedhena, that is why it is given yatha shrute. As you hear, like that you understand, then the meaning of the word tat will be bhava rupa dharma nishedhena. So bhava rupa dharma, that will be the meaning of tat. In first reading, meaning of tat is tasya brahmanaha. In second interpretation, where there is no samasa, meaning is bhava rupa dharma nishedhena. This is what I was expecting in the answer. So in the first reading, what you have to say is Brahma is indicated by Nishedha. What is indicated through Nishedha, that thing is pointed out by Tat. In the second one, what is negated is pointed out by the word Tat. What is indicated by after negation is first reading. What gets negated is the second reading. Nirdishyamanatvat. हाँ. No, it's not like that. First, okay. Further now. You see, these things, they are very fine or refined explanations. Okay. General explanation is available without reading Tippani, without reading Tika also. A general thing you can explain. The whole purpose of adding another statement to Tika is to say something which is otherwise not known in Tika. That is why that Tippani is there. तथा विधम नास्ति अर्थवत इति शंकते. तथा विधम ब्रह्म. If Brahma is indicated only through Nishedha, then such Brahma, tatha vidam means such Brahma, na asti arthavat. It is not a real thing. Na asti arthavat means it is meaningless. 5 number Tippani says, arthavat means prayojanavat. So it is useless. Iti shankate. Bhashya. Shunyameva tarhi. So in this new edition, Shunyameva Tarhi, question mark is there. Earlier question mark used to be after tat. So then you had to read Shunyameva Tarhi tat. Now it is Shunyameva Tarhi. Then maybe it is Shunyam. Tanna. Answer is no, it is not like that. Tika. न तुरीयस्य शून्यत्वम अनुमातुम युक्तम, not yukam, yuktam. You cannot say, you cannot infer that turiya is shunyam. Turiyasya shunyatvam anumatum na yuktam. You cannot do anumana that then turiya should be shunyam in this way. Now this is the anumanam. Siddhanti is anumanam. Vimatam sadadhishthanam kalpitatvat तथाविध रजतादिवत इति अनुमानात् तुरीयस्य सत्वसिद्धेः इति उत्तरमाह. विमतम सदधिष्ठानम. विमतम where there is viparita matam or viruddha matam. Otherwise they also use the word vivadaspadam. Vivadasya aspadam, ashrayam. There where there is dispute, that is the paksha. Vimatam sadadhishthanam. So what will be the paksha here? Paksha will be prapancha. Padatrayam. The three padas, they are in the question. They have to have sad adhishthanam. Sad adhishthanam actually is bahuvrihi samasa. Sad adhishthanam yasya prapanchasya padatrayasya tad padatrayam sad adhishthanam. Kalpitatvat. Hetu is kalpitatvam. So padatraya is kalpita or prapancha is kalpita. In paksha, hetu has to be there. Arka Sangraha students are there. There. In paksha, if hetu is not there, what is the dosha? स्वरूपा सिद्धि दोष. पक्षे हेतु अभाव स्वरूपा सिद्धि. दृष्टांत, in दृष्टांत if hetu is not there, then sadhana vaikalyam. And if in drishtanta sadhya is not there, then sadhya vaikalyam. So here drishtanta is sadadhishthanam. Tathavidha rajatadivat. Tathavidha rajatam. Tathavidha rajata means kalpita rajata. Kalpita rajata also is sadadhishthanam, because it also has to have something real as its adhisthana. So in drashtanta, hetu is there, kalpitatva is there, drashtanta also has sadhya, sadadhisthana. Paksha has hetu, therefore paksha will have sadhya, because the vyapti will be yatra yatra what is the vyapti? No, in this Hanuman, what is the Vyapti? What is hetu here? Kalpitatvam. So yatra yatra kalpitatvam tatra tatra sadadhishthanatvam. This will be the vyapti. So padatraya is kalpita. Therefore padatraya has some sadadhishthanam that has to be chaturtha pada. Iti anumanat turiyasya sattva siddhehe. With this anumana, turiya has to be sat. This siddhi will happen. Iti uttaramaha. Bhashya. Tanna. Drishtantam sadhayati. Tanna. Mithya vikalpasya nirnimittatva anupapattehe. Bhava Rupa Dharma. Question was there. What is Bhava Rupa Dharma? Bhava Rupa Dharma means something is. What is recognized as is. All of that you negate. That is called Bhava Rupa Dharma Nishedha. Then what remains is that मिथ्या विकल्पस्य निर्निमित्तत्व अनुपपत्ते है. A मिथ्या वस्तु which is कल्पना मात्रम, मिथ्या विकल्पस्य निर्निमित्तत्व. निर्निमित्तत्व means not having any adhishthanam, any nimitta, sad nimitta. Not having san nimitta for a mithya vastu is not possible. Mithya vastu is recognized only when there is sadadhishthanam. Nahi rajata sarpam purusham mriga trishnikadi vikalpaha shuktika rajju sthanum usharadi vyatirekena avastvāspadaha shakyaha kalpaitum. Rajju, sarpa, purusha, mriga trishnika. These vikalpas, they require some vastu. Shuktika, Rajju, Sthanu and Ushara, Bhumi. Without them, in their absence, Vyatirekena, avastvāspadaha na shakyaha kalpaitum. They will be avastvāspadaha, without any vastu as aspada. Aspadam, ashrayam. Without having any ashraya, you cannot imagine this vikalpita rajata, sarpa, purusha, mriga, trishnikadi. They have to have some real ashraya. Tika. Rajatadinam sad anuviddha buddhi bodhyatvat avastvaspadatva yogat. Rajatadinam, they have sad buddhi, sad anuviddha buddhi. Means sad buddhi is anuviddha in it. Bodhyatvad. They cannot be avastvaspada. They have to have some vastu as their ashraya. Avastvaspada ayogat. Tadvadeva. In the same way, pranadi vikalpanam api na avastvaspadatvam siddhyati ityartha. In the same way, prana etc. means saguna brahma onwards, everything requires some adhishthanam, a vastu. Without that, they cannot exist. Prana shabda in the Purva Karika, in the second Karika, was used as avyakrita, and therefore in the sixth karika, sarvam janayati pranaha chetonshum purusha prathak. There also it was avyakrita. But in second chapter, prana iti pranavidaha, there prana will be Hiranyagarbha also, I think. So sometimes Ishvara, sometimes Hiranyagarbha, whatever meaning is appropriate. Because in general, Hiranyagarbha, Sutratma, Prana, all these are synonymous. Hiranyagarbha, Sutratma and Prana. And in the previous one, we saw Prana as Ishvara only. So here Pranadi Vikalpana means us starting from Saguna Brahma, everything down is Mithya. So they have to have some Vastu as its Ashraya, a real thing as its Ashraya. Avastvaspadattvam na siddhyati ityartha. यदि अधिष्ठानत्वं तुरीयस्य इष्टं तर्हि वाच्यत्वम् अधिष्ठानत्वात् घटादिवत् इति Purvapakshi says. Okay, so what you want to say is Turiya is adhishthanam, correct? Why are you saying that we have to use negation? You can just say Vidhi Mukhena Turiya is adhishthanam. Yadi adhishthanatvam turiyasya ishtam tvaya. If you like that Turiya has to be adhishthanam, let's say Turiya is adhishthanam. Turiyasya adhishthanatvam. This is the Vachyartha, Vachyatvam. Adhishthanatvat. So here you have to do Anumanam. Because Adhishthanatvat Hetu is given. Ghatadivat, so Drashtanta is there. So Paksha will become Turiyam. Sadhya will be Adhisthana Vachyatvam. Turiyam Adhisthana Vachyatvam. Adhisthana Shabdena Jnapitam. It is made known. Jnapitam means it is made known. In English we don't use this word. उसका ज्ञान कराया जाता है in हिंदी जैसे. अधिष्ठानत्वेन ज्ञापितम तुरीयम. Why अधिष्ठानत्वात्? Because it is अधिष्ठानम. Ghatadivat, a pot. How it is known? By the word pot. So adhishthanam, how will it be known? By the word adhishthanam. Why you have to say there is no Vidhi Mukha? Why you need Nishedha Mukha? This is so simple. Ghata you can call Ghata. Adhishthanam you just say it is adhishthanam. Iti prakrama bhangaha syad iti chodayati. So prakrama bhanga means everywhere else you apply this rule. Ghata is called by Ghata Shabda. So Ghata Artha is known by Ghata Pada. Because Pada has the Shakti to reveal its Shakya. Similarly, Pataha. Patah Pada is to reveal Patah Artha. Patah Pada has that Shakti. Adhisthana Pada has Shakti to reveal Adhishthanam. Why you want to break this order? Iti chodayati. Evam tarhi pranadi sarva vikalpaspadatvat turiyasya shabdavachyatvam iti na pratishedhaihi shabdavachyatvam. First let us see this much only. Evam tarhi pranadi sarva vikalpa aspadatvat turiyasya. So then in that case Turiya is the adhishthanam of all pranadi. That is what you want to say, right? Purvapakshi is asking Siddhanti. You say yes. Pranadi sarva vikalpa aspadatvat turiyasya shabda vachyatvam. So then Turiya is Pranadi sarva vikalpa aspada. Just say like that. Why you want to use nishedha? Shabdavachyatam iti na pratishedhaihi pratyayatvam. You should not reveal it through negation. It's very clear. Udakadyadharade riva ghatade. Udaka, then dya is missing. Udakadyadharade riva ghatade. Udaka adi adhara. Adi plus adhara. Whatever sandhi happens, that you put there. Udakadyadharade riva ghatade. So Purvapakshi, this is Purvapakshi Vakya. He says there is Udaka, water, and Ghata is the Adhara. Like that, both Adi is there. So Kunda is there. Kunda, what do they call in pot? Pot means where you plant seeds, etc. And badara. So in that you put some berries, etc. and then it will grow. So, or in a jar you put some berries. In a pot you have put some water. In the same way, in Turiya you have Pranadi. It's so simple. Tika. किम प्रातिभासिकम अधिष्ठानत्वम हेतुकृतम किम वा तात्विकम. Purvapakshi says is this pratibhasik vastu? No. Is the adhishthanam a pratibhasika? Means adhishthanatvam is real or adhishthanatvam is kalpitam, is illusory. Turiya is a real substratum for real objects, or Turiya is a kalpita substratum for kalpita objects. This is the question. Kim pratibhasikam adhishthanatvam hetukritam? Hetukritam means because in the previous line hetu is created, hetu is given as adhishthanatvat. So that adhishthanatva hetu is that adhishthanatva in Turiya. Pratibhasika kim va tatvikam. Okay, I don't think you understood this. I will explain. See, Ghata has Ghatatvam. But that Ghatatvam is Jati. Pata has Patatvam. It is a Jati. Gau has Gotvam. That is a Jati. Neelam Utpalam has Neelatvam. What is that Neelatvam? It is a guna. It is a guna. It is not a jati. Utpala will have Utpalatvam as jati. But Neelatvam will be guna. So don't think wherever there is twa at the end means it is jati only. Huh? This is the first thing I wanted you to understand. In Purusha, Purushotvam will be Jati. In Manushya, Manushyatvam will be Jati. But any attributes which are there, Shuklatvam, let us say he looks fair. Dirghatvam, he is a tall person. They are not Jati, they are Guna. So in Turiya, there is Adhishthanattvam. This Adhishthanattvam will be a Guna. Because you are saying Turiya is Adhishthanam. So the question is that Adhishthanattvam, not Turiyam. Adhishthanattva quality in Turiya, is it Pratibhasika or is it Tattvika? This is the question. We can go slow in this Bhashya and Tika. This is very beautiful, and what else we have to do anyway in life? Just study these things. So this is a question. He himself is going to discuss. So Pratibhasika is one vikalpa. Kimva Tattvikam, or is it real? Then he says, Na Adyaha, not the first one. First one is not possible. Why? Tasya Tattvika Vachyatva Asadhakatvat. For a Pratibhasik Vastu, a Tattvika definition cannot be given. For a Pratibhasik Vastu, real definition cannot be there. That is what he means. Tasya Tattvika Vachyatva. It will not have a real Vachyatva. Tattvika Vachyatva means Lakshana. Asadhakatvat. Tasya 3 number टिप्पणी समसत्ताकयोरेव वह्निधूमयोः साध्य साधन भाव दर्शनात् इति भावः. Just as Vanni and Dhuma, a real Dhuma can point out real Vanni. Illusory Dhuma cannot point out real Vanni. Illusory Dhuma means dust, let us say. It is not smoke, it is only dust. Dust storm is there. And you think, oh, Parvato Vanniman, Dhumat. It is not Dhuma. So, Dhuma is Pratibhasika Satta, Vanni is Vyavaharik Satta. Pratibhasik Dhuma cannot reveal Vyavaharik Vanni. In the same way, Pratibhasik Adhishthanattvam cannot be used to define Vyavaharik or Tattvika Turiya. Their Sadhya Sadhana Bhava will not happen. Clear? अतात्विके तु वाच्यत्वे प्रक्रमो न विरुध्यते, not विरुध्येत, विरुध्यते. अतात्विके तु वाच्यत्वे. If the वाच्यत्व is atatvika, means if the it is pratibhasika. Atatvika means pratibhasika. Pratibhasika vacyatva for pratibhasika adhishthanam is allowed. So you do pratibhasika definition or lakshana for pratibhasika adhishthanam turiya. That is okay. There is no prakrama bhanga. Prakrama virodha is not there. This is first vikalpa. Na dvitiyaha. Dvitiya vikalpa is tattvika. Let us say it is tattvika. Shukthyadishu kalpita rajatadehe avastutvavat turiyapi kalpita pranadehe avastutvat. तत्प्रतियोगिक अधिष्ठानत्वस्य तात्विकत्वायोगाद् इति दूषयति. So if you say adhishthanatvam is tatvikam, Purvapakshi, he says, then Shuktyadishu kalpita rajatadehe. Shukti adi which are real, Rajatadi are kalpita. Shuktyadishu kalpita rajatadehe avastutvavat. Kalpita rajata is avastu. Therefore, it requires a real adhishthanam like Shukti. But kalpita pranadehe avastutvat turiye api tat pratiyogika adhisthanatvasya tatvikatva ayogat. Purvapakshi says, see, first you understand just simple example. He says for a mithya vastu like Shukti Rajata, Shukti Adhishthanam I can understand. So all darshanas, they have accepted Shukti Rajata as mithya, except for one or two. Everybody else have understood that is mithya. Prabhakara doesn't accept. Maybe Madhva Mata also doesn't accept. But everybody else accepts it. But pranadi are not kalpita. They are not like Shukti Rajata. So why do you need Tatvika Adhishthanam which is of different satta than pranadi? This is Purvapakshi's question. Shuktyadi, they are adhishthanam for kalpita rajata. Because kalpita rajata is avastu. Turiye api kalpita pranadehe avastutvat tat pratiyogika adhisthanatvasya tatvikatva ayoga. 4 number tippani says tat pratiyogika means tan nirupita. So kalpita pranadi indicating that turiya which is tatvika means of different reality than pranadi. Why do we need that? See, earlier what was the discussion? If you see on page 44, last line of Bhashya. Page 44, last line of Bhashya. Pranadi sarva vikalpaspadatvat turiyasya shabdavachyatvam. Purvapakshi accepted this much, that pranadi are all appearing in turiya. So you define turiya in this way. This much he mentioned. And he gave the example like water in a pot. Where water is real, pot is real, a real thing is placed in real substratum. So now Siddhanti is going to say, no, we are not talking like that. We are actually talking like Shukti Rajata put in Shukti, superimposed in Shukti. So he is up till now not ready with this thought that pranadi, they are mithya. Vikalpas means they are various options, but that they are illusory, that he has not accepted yet. So now, iti dushayati, bhashya, na, after na, comma, pranadi vikalpasya asatvat, shuktikadishu iva rajatadehe. Pranadi vikalpas are asat, like rajat in shukti. So we are not saying satya adhishthanam for satya vastu in it. We are saying Satya Adhishthanam for Mithya Vastu. So like Vishishta Advaita and all, they say Brahma is Satyam, Jagat is Satyam. Why break head? All other Vedanta darshanas, Jagat is Satyam, Brahma is Satyam. In Satya Brahma, there is Satya Jagat. Why it has to have different degree of reality? But we have to remember, when there is kartritva, bhoktritva, etc., and somebody says, your kartritva is mithya, your bhoktritva is mithya, and I should be ready to understand and appreciate that, yes, this is true. Bhoktritva means any kind of pain, physical pain, mental pain, whatever is there, that is my bhoga actually. I have earned it by lot of efforts in the previous janma, which is now called as prarabdha. So I am going through it, and that bhoga is mithya. Bhoktritva is mithya. So bhogya is mithya, bhoga is mithya, bhoktritva is mithya. This I have to digest, this thinking. So for that only we do all this. Repeated reminders for ourselves. टीका किम वाच्यत्वे तुरीयस्य निरुच्यमाने तत्र शब्द प्रवृत्तौ निमित्तं वक्तव्यम् किंच and also if turiya is vachya of some shabda, some word can reveal turiya, turiyasya vachyatve niruchyamane. Niruchyamane means nisheshana uchyamane. In this way, when it is defined, then you have to say what is the shabda pravritti which will define turiya. Tatra shabda pravrittau nimittam vaktavyam. So now shabda pravritti nimitta, that you are already very well familiar. We can go little faster then. Tacha षष्ठी वा रूढ़िर वा जातिर वा क्रिया वा गुणो वा इति विकल्प्य प्रथमम प्रत्याह. So he is actually going in this order. He is going to show. Is it षष्ठी means संबंध or रूढ़ी, जाति, क्रिया और गुण. And रूढ़ी 5 number टिप्पणी he says रूढ़ी means प्रत्यक्षादि प्रसिद्धि. Something which is known through pratyaksha or some other way, mostly pratyaksha. इति विकल्प्य प्रथमं प्रति आह. न हि सदसतोः संबंधः शब्द प्रवृत्ति निमित्त भाग वस्तुत्वात् अवस्तुत्वात्. न हि सदसतोः संबंधः शब्द प्रवृत्ति निमित्त भाग अवस्तुत्वात्. Sambandha between Sat and Asat, a real and unreal, cannot become an object of Shabda Pravritti Nimitta. Because there is no way to define such Sambandha between real and unreal. Nimitta Bhag निमित्तत्व इत्यर्थः. निमित्तत्व भाग. So like myself in dream and my kutia in waking, what is the sambandha? There is no sambandha. You cannot connect them. नहीं सदसतोः संबंध, सो संबंध इज आउट. टीका. तुरीयातिरिक्तस्य अवस्तुत्वात् तस्य तुरीयस्य च वस्तुभूतसंबन्धा सिद्धेः विषयाभावे कुतः षष्ठी इत्यर्थः. तुरीय अतिरिक्तस्य अवस्तुत्वात्, अदर देन तुरीय एवरीथिंग इज अवस्तु ओनली, नॉट देयर इन रियलिटी. अवस्तुत्वात् तस्य तुरीयस्य च वस्तुभूत संबंध असिद्धेः, and therefore तुरीय cannot have a real संबंध. वस्तुभूत संबंध is not possible. असिद्धेः. विषय अभावे, there is no other vastu, there is no other thing. How can there be संबंध? विषयाभावे कुतः षष्ठी इत्यर्थः. सिक्स नंबर टिप्पणी says विषयाभाव विषयो धर्मी प्रतियोगी रूपः तुरीयातिरिक्तं च वस्तुत्वाभाववत् तदन्यतरत् इति विषयाभावः. विषय is धर्मी प्रतियोगी रूपः. In the morning I explained dharmi is, in the morning class, dharmi is the anuyogi substratum. Bhutala, bhutale ghataha, so ghata is pratiyogi, bhutala is dharmi. Vishay will be dharmi pratiyogi rupaha. तुरीयातिरिक्तम च वस्तुत्व अभावात्, अदर देन तुरीय देर इज नो धर्मी, देर इज नो प्रतियोगी. तद अन्यतरत् इति विषयाभावः, एंड देयरफॉर अन्यतरत् मीन्स आइदर तुरीय हैज टू बी सबस्ट्रेटम एंड दैट इज धर्मी एंड प्रतियोगी इज नॉट देयर, or turiya will be pratyogi, dharmi is not there. So of course here it is only, here it is dharmi, not pratyogi, so pratyogi abhava. तो विषय अभावे कुतः षष्ठी इत्यर्थः. भूतल and घट संबंध is required. For that you need bhutal also and घट also. संबंध is द्वयनिष्ठ, or they say dvinishtha. Two things are required. Only bhutala is there, ghata is not there. There is no sambandha. Ghata is there, bhutala is not there. Ghata is in water. Where is the ghata bhutala sambandha then? Dvitiyam dushayati. Now second one. Second one is what? No, that Tatvika Vikalpa is over. Rudhi. From these, Shashti, Rudhi, Jati, Kriya, Guna, that's Rudhi now, in Bhashya. Napi Pramanantar Vishayatvam Swarupena Gavadivat Atmano Nirupadikatvat. Here you can put Purnaviram after Nirupadikatvat. I don't know how I had explained in the earlier talk, but now you understand this way. After Nirupadikatvat, Purnaviram. Napi, see now, Napi Pramanantar Vishayatvam. Because Rudhi means what? A thing should be known through some other Pramana. Then you can use some shabda and define it. Like sun, Surya, Aditya. So Surya is known through Chakshu Pramana. or on your skin if there is some burning sensation in summer, then you say, I am in sun now. So it is pramanantar vishaya. Turiya is not pramanantar vishaya. Na api pramanantar vishayatvam turiyasya. Swarupena gavadivat. Like a cow is seen, so then you can use the name Gau. Atma is nirupadhika. Atmano nirupadhikatvat. Atma doesn't have any such upadhi, and therefore it cannot be known through pratyaksha. Shruti Vakya says ashabdam asparsham arupam avyayam tatharasam nityam agandhavachyat. So Atma is nirupadhika. Therefore it is not pramanantar vishaya. Because it is not pramanantar vishaya, there is no rudhi. See second number tippani. Pramanantar iti. Shabda apekshaya pramanantaram pratyakshadi tad vishayatvam na swarupena turiyasya tad abhavacha na rudhihi sa hi pratyaksha vishaya iti. Shabda apekshaya pramanantaram pratyakshadi tad vishayatvam. Different from shabda. Shabda praman is already, we know, turiya, we are talking about it. Other than shabda pramana, it should become vishaya of some other pramana. Like pratyakshadi. Pramanantaram pratyakshadi tad vishayatvam na swarupena turiyasya. It is not there. Turiya is not known through any such thing. And tad abhavacha, because of that, na rudhihi. Sahi pratyaksha vishaya. Rudhi is always pratyaksha vishaya. Pratyaksha adi vishaya. Tika. Vishishta rupena vishayatvepi swarupena nirupadhikatmana tad avishayatvan natra gavadaviva rudhihi avatarati ityartha. Vishishta rupena vishayatve. Brahma, Vishishta Brahma can become Vishaya of Shabda. But Swarupena it is Nirupadhika. Swarupena Nirupadhika Atmana tad avishayatvat. Therefore it is not Vishaya of Shabda. And therefore na atra gavadaviva rudhihi avatarati. Therefore here, like Gau, rudhi is not possible. So you see why I said Purna Viram you can put after Nirupadhikatvat, because in Tippani Nirupadhika Atma is covered in the second Lakshana, in the Rudhi. Nirupadhikatmana tada vishayatvat. So that Nirupadhikatvat hetu should go in Nisheda of Rudhi. Then Tritiya. न तृतीयः गवादाविव अद्वितीये तुरीये सामान्य विशेष भावस्य अभिधातुम अयोग्यत्वात् इति मत्वा आह. गवादाविव, like in cows etc. तुरीय is अद्वितीय. In अद्वितीय वस्तु सामान्य विशेष भाव is not there. Jati, this is jati discussion now. Jati is not possible in something which is nirupadhika. Nirupadhik vastu cannot have samanya vishesha bhava. So turiye samanya vishesha bhavasya, it is considered as a dosha. That thing which is only one cannot have jati. एक वस्तु cannot have jati. और जाति is अनेकेषु एकम अनुगतम is jati. in many one that is common, then it is called jati. There is no many, how can you use the word jati? So turiya is only one, so there is no samanya vishesha bhava. The tippani says samanya gotwadi hi samanya dharmo visheshascha tad vyaktitwadi rupaha. So if there is a particular cow, so if there is a particular cow, for example, then in that cow, gotva is there because there are many cows. Like Kapila guy is there, Jersey cow is there, Desi cow is there, Rajasthani cow is there, then Gotva is there in all. There is because there are many. सामान्य विशेष भावस्य अभिधातुम गवादिवत इति भाष्य. गवादिवन नापि जातिमत्वम अद्वितीयत्वेन सामान्य विशेष अभावात्. Because it is advitiya, there is no samanya vishesha like how it is there in cow. This is vyatireki drishtanta. Earlier also for Rudi it was vyatireki drishtanta. गवादिवत नापि जातिमत्वम अद्वितीयत्वेन सामान्य विशेषा भावात्. न चतुर्थः पाचकादाविव अक्रिये तुरीये विक्रियावत्वस्य शब्द प्रवृत्ति निमित्तस्य वक्तुम अयुक्तत्वात् इत्याह. And turiya which is akriyavatva. So in akriyavan turiya, you cannot say it is like pachaka who does cooking. He is a cook. Because anyone who becomes karta has to be vikari. There is a general rule. Wherever there is trich pratyaya at the end, trich pratyanta rupam vikari. You can almost close your eyes and put it. If the shabda has trich pratyaya at the end, it is vikari vastu. Like bhoktru. Bhoktru as trich at the end. So bhokta is vikari. Kartru, vikari. Jnatru, pramatru. So here paktru, pachaka is the one who does pachaka kriya. I am not sure if paktru is the right name, but something like that will be there. So he will become pakta. Bhashya. Napi kriyavatvam pachakadivat avikriyatvat. So you see, all of them are, these are also anumana. Huh? Turiyasya na kriyavatvam avikriyatvat vyatirekena pachakadivat. In this way you have to do anumanam. Each vakya is anumanam. Sadasatoho sambandha pravrittihi na शब्द प्रवृत्ति निमित्त भाग न अवस्तुत्वात्. In this way, that is also anumanam. Drishtanta is not given. You can give any drishtanta, like shukti rajatavat. Last one now. न पंचमः उत्पलादौ नीलादि शब्दवन निर्गुणे तुरीये गुणवत्वस्य शब्द प्रवृत्ति निमित्तस्य वक्तुम अयुक्तत्वादित्याह. And utpala means lotus. Niladi shabdavat. There you can use some guna to describe Neela. Neela Shabdavat Vyatireka example. Why? Because in Turiya, Nirgune Turiye, Gunavatvasya Shabda Pravritti Nimittasya Vaktum Ayuktatvat. In Nirguna, what guna you will use to describe? So in Bhashya, Napi Gunavatvam Turiyasya Na Gunavatvam Nirgunatvat Vyatirekena Neeladivat. Turiya does not have guna. Why? Because it is nirguna. So cannot be described by any guna. In this way, all Shabda Pravritti Nimittas are absent. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshina Murtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.